And then I guess the first major contribution was TIFTOK.
Yeah, so I got into Regina's lab, Regina and Tommy's lab at MIT. I didn't really know much biology or chemistry. I also didn't really exactly know what particularly I wanted to do. And thanks to one of the PhD postdocs in the lab at the time, called Octavian Ganea, he just started working on trying to model biomolecular interactions. Somewhat the obvious next steps, after AlphaFold 2, that was modeling individual protein structure in individual proteins. And so trying to understand the way that proteins and other proteins interact with one another, proteins, small molecule interact with each other, that seemed kind of the next obvious kind of big area for impact. And so in my first year, I started looking into this problem. I looked at the previous version of models that were done for this problem. In particular, I was focusing on protein ligand docking, so trying to predict the structure of small molecule binding to proteins. And one of the things I noticed is that, a lot of the issues, the errors that previous machine learning models were doing when trying to predict, ligand poses for this task was around, the way that they dealt with uncertainty.